Nice.
Over here, everything. Criminal, boy. Criminal.
The most expensive thing in the store was the black sea. The same $2.50 became $10.
Got them on start buy plenty, you know. There's some people who get it and some people who don't, even if they don't necessarily know the culture. In Guyana back home, pretty much anywhere there's space, there's birds. It would be in a street corner, it would be in a park, it would be in your backyard. Something that we grew up with. It's just been part of our culture for many years. It's something we know.
It's territorial birds, and it's all male. They want to perform better than this one. I don't know what they're singing about and what they're telling each other, but it is, you're in my space, I'm the boss here.
Making that move from Guyana to here, it had made me depressed. I don't find this community like back home. Everyone was just in their houses, and if they're not in their houses, they're in their cars. It could be normal for them, but it wasn't normal for me. My life changed to one of the guys here and say, hey, you know, we got this community and you could always come along and join us. Nostalgia immediately, and it feels like home. In terms of the racing, you will put the two birds together and you will let them sing back and forth with each other.
For the one.
You have two judges. Once the bird starts to sing, he sing and he stop, then he sing again, it's one.
And whoever reaches 50 songs or 50 whistles wins.
When I go and put my board on the competition, I want my board to be the best. You have some younger guys starting with the board, and then, you know, you share your knowledge. Not because of the guy, because of the boards. You want to see the board in good health.
It's definitely for the birds. And then everything else come after. You just show up here, these guys make jokes with you, you can make back jokes with them. Having people that came from your country, it definitely helps a sense of community. It's easy to connect and to understand each other. It's not something consciously you do, like I want to preserve, you know, the Guyanese culture, because maybe it was normal back home for this to be way of life, but now me finally being able to come here and see these birds, it means more to me now versus before, you know, after missing it for so many years.
I don't think I can go on without the bird. It's in your DNA, and you don't get these birds singing in the house. Oh, something missing from your life.